AI is steadily expanding into key industries as automation technologies become more reliable and widely deployed. According to DeepMind co-founder Demis Hassabis, AI's most substantial operational impact will appear first in large industrial and service sectors. Artificial intelligence is transitioning from an optional enhancement to a foundational operational layer. Organizations increasingly use AI systems to analyze large data sets, streamline processes, and support real-time decision-making. This video examines 12 major industries where AI is becoming deeply embedded and shaping the future of large-scale operations. 12. Healthcare. AI in healthcare is used for diagnostic support, medical image interpretation, and patient outcome prediction. Hospitals use platforms such as Google MedPalm and IBM Watson Health to assist clinicians in evaluating complex medical findings. Startups develop machine learning models to detect diseases from MRI, CT, and X-ray datasets. Pharmaceutical companies integrate AI into drug discovery to evaluate molecular structures more efficiently. As adoption increases, AI will continue handling early diagnostic assessments while clinicians oversee final decisions. 11. Transportation and logistics. AI optimizes routing, demand forecasting, and fleet allocation across global logistics networks. UPS and DHL rely on predictive systems to reduce delays and manage fuel consumption. Waymo and Cruise test autonomous vehicles in restricted environments to evaluate safety and navigation. Warehouses depend on AI-driven robotics for sorting, loading, and inventory movement. As systems mature, AI will manage more planning functions while human teams focus on supervision and safety. 10. Manufacturing and building. AI improves quality control, defect detection, and predictive maintenance across production facilities. Companies like Siemens and Bosch deploy industrial AI tools to monitor machinery and minimize downtime. Machine vision systems evaluate product consistency in real time on assembly lines. AI-enabled robotics assist with packaging, assembly, and material handling tasks. Manufacturers will automate more repetitive processes while engineers manage system reliability and oversight. 9. Finance and banking. AI supports fraud detection, risk assessment, and compliance monitoring across financial institutions. Banks such as JP Morgan Chase and HSBC use AI to analyze transaction patterns and identify irregular behavior. Investment teams rely on algorithmic tools to evaluate market conditions and adjust portfolios. Digital banking platforms integrate AI chatbots for routine customer inquiries. Financial workflows will increasingly adopt AI augmentation while maintaining strong regulatory governance. 8. Retail and e-commerce. AI personalizes product recommendations, forecasts demand, and optimizes inventory management. Amazon and Alibaba use predictive models to coordinate global supply chains and anticipate customer needs. Retailers deploy AI chatbots to support customers with order questions and service issues. Computer vision tools monitor shelf availability in physical stores. As automation expands, back-end operations in retail will increasingly rely on AI, while staff manage customer-facing roles. 7. Agriculture. AI supports crop monitoring, soil evaluation, and precision farming strategies. John Deere and Climate Corporation use sensor-based analytics to guide planting and treatment decisions. Drones capture aerial imagery to detect early signs of disease and evaluate plant health. AI models recommend optimized irrigation and fertilizer schedules. Large farms will continue adopting AI-driven forecasting to improve yields and resource efficiency. 6. Energy and utilities. AI contributes to energy stability,
demand prediction, and predictive maintenance. Siemens Energy and GE deploy AI systems to monitor turbines and detect operational anomalies early. Utilities use forecasting models to anticipate electricity use and manage power distribution. Renewable energy sites rely on AI to optimize wind and solar performance in real time. As infrastructure modernizes, AI will support real-time balancing and maintenance planning across energy networks. 5. Education and training. AI enables personalized learning pathways, adaptive assessments, and administrative automation. Platforms such as Coursera and Khan Academy tailor content using performance-based algorithms. Schools use AI for grading assistance, curriculum suggestions, and engagement insights. Training centers rely on AI-powered simulation tools for technical skill development. Institutions will increasingly use AI analytics to scale personalized education models. 4. Cybersecurity. AI strengthens digital defenses by identifying anomalies and filtering large volumes of potential threats. Companies like CrowdStrike and Palo Alto Networks deploy AI platforms to analyze network activity and block malicious behavior. Security teams use AI tools to sort alerts and prioritize critical risks. Machine learning models identify subtle patterns that indicate possible attacks. As threats grow more advanced, AI-driven security layers will continue expanding alongside human oversight. 3. Media and content production. AI supports editing, content creation, and audience analytics across digital media platforms. YouTube, Meta, and Adobe integrate AI into editing tools, automation pipelines, and captioning systems. Recommendation engines personalize content delivery for viewers. Advertisers use AI to refine targeting and measure campaign performance. Routine production tasks will shift toward automation, allowing creators to focus on direction and strategy. 2. Customer service and support. AI chatbots and virtual assistants manage large volumes of customer inquiries. Amazon, Vodafone, and major banks deploy AI agents for continuous support. Contact centers use AI to classify issues and suggest solutions to human agents. Speech recognition tools improve routing accuracy and interpret customer intent more effectively. AI will continue handling first-line support while complex cases move to human specialists. 1. Government services and administration. AI assists with document processing, citizen service platforms, and administrative automation. Governments analyze large data sets using AI to support planning, infrastructure development, and resource allocation. Agencies deploy AI tools for identity verification and application screening. Cities use machine learning systems for traffic management and environmental monitoring. As modernization continues, AI will increasingly support public service operations and improve administrative efficiency. These 12 industries show how AI is becoming a core part of operations across public and private sectors. To explore more insights into emerging technologies, check out the next video on your screen.